Hello, you are welcome. How to solve for x in this equation 9 to the power of x plus 1 minus 9 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 20. Now let's see, this plus 1 can be written as minus 1 plus 2, and minus 1 plus 2 will give you plus 1. Then we can substitute this for this, that is 9 to the power of x minus 1 plus 2, then minus 9 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 20. Take note of this, that if you have a to the power of n plus m, this is equal to a to the power of n multiplied by a to the power of m. Then this can be written as 9 to the power of s minus 1 multiplied by 9 square minus 9 to the power of s minus 1 is equal to 20. Then at this point, 9 to the power of s minus 1 is common. Let's bring it out. We have 9 to the power of s minus 1. Then bracket, if you divide this by this, we have 9 square minus, if you divide this by this, we have 1 is equal to 20. Then this is 9 to the power of s minus 1 bracket 9 square, this is 81 minus 1 is equal to 20. This is 9 to the power of s minus 1 bracket 81 minus 1, that is 80, is equal to 20. Then let's divide both sides by 80 divided by 80. This divided by 80. This we cancel this. 20 here, 1. 20 here, 4. Then we have 9 to the power of s minus 1 is equal to 1 over 4. Now let's take the log of both sides. We have log 9 to the power of s minus 1 is equal to log 1 over 4. And this is s minus 1 log 9 is equal to, this log 1 divided by 4 can be written as log 4 to the power of minus 1. Then this is s minus 1 bracket log 9 is equal to minus 1 log 4. So this is s minus 1 log 9 is equal to minus 1 log 4 can be written as minus log 4. Now let's divide both sides by log 9 divided by log 9. This will cancel this. S minus 1 is equal to minus log 4 can be written as log 2 square divided by log 9 can be written as log 3 square. Then we have x minus 1 is equal to, this can be written as minus 2 log 2 divided by 2 log 3. This will cancel this. Then s minus 1 is equal to minus log 2 over log 3. Then this is s is equal to 1 minus log 2 over log 3, and s is equal to 1 minus log 2 over log 3 can be written as log 2 base 3. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.